This is Tajamul Adil. Majority of you guys are not aware that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is a smarter, safer way to use your smartphone in the car while driving. Also, you can get directions, make phone calls, and enjoy your favorite music. Today I'm talking about Lamtto RC18 7-inch screen, which is a vertical and horizontal orientation car screen. Very interesting, right? Oh, I believe you don't understand how this one car screen can work as vertical and horizontal orientation with just one click, right? Let's get started. First, let's connect RC18 with the super magnetic holder, which can be placed on the AC vent in your car, and it comes with an adjustment as you can see in this video. It comes with a 270-degree adjustment magnetic mount and also allows for easy adjustment to any angle without obstructing your view. RC18 comes with an option of power pin, memory card, audio 3.5 mm jack, and AV in option, additionally offering a MagSafe magnetic mount and brackets for the suction cup mount, but I am using a magnetic holder for the mount. To give the power, we are using a cigarette lighter power cord and placing the power cable on the RC18 7-inch screen. RC18 is attached with a magnetic holder, which is a 270-degree adjustable magnetic mount and also allows for easy adjustment to any angle. Its rotatable magnetic bracket can also hold phones, making it ideal for vertical screen navigation. After switching on the RC18, that's the interface you see, and they provide a brightness increase and decrease option. Also, you can increase and decrease the volume. Here comes a very cool option of orientating the screen from vertical to horizontal and horizontal to vertical from one click. We already learned how to install RC18 in your car. Now it's time to connect Apple CarPlay on the RC18 7-inch screen, and its connecting process is very simple. You just need to find T86B in your Bluetooth and follow the process in the video. You can finish in a few seconds. RC18 will bring your phone apps to the car screen. As you can see already, many apps are showing on the car screen: navigation apps, music apps, phone calls, music, text messages, and many other apps. Using a Google map in the vertical screen is looking so impressive, and it's working very smoothly in the RC18. Now let's use the Google map on the horizontal screen, and I'm showing you the RC18 car screen performance on the horizontal screen. Time to compare RC18 7-inch screen with the other 10-inch car screen and enjoy the experience and its performance. Now I want to talk about a magnetic mount holder that I have been using for a week in my car. As you see in this video, the RC18 magnetic mount holder grip is very solid and this detachable holder is very handy. Finally, I want to show you a very cool feature which is mirroring your iPhone or Android phone in your car. For Android users, you have to use Superlink app for mirroring your mobile, but I'm using iPhone, so let's see the process of Apple AirPlay. First, let's select the AirPlay option on the RC18 7-inch screen, and after this you need to find the AirPlay in your Wi-Fi connection and fill the password. Now go to your iPhone, click on the screen mirroring option and select the smart screen option, and there you go, all set and ready to go. The AirPlay experience is wonderful in the RC18. I use TikTok and YouTube videos on the car screen and I didn't found any lag or slowness. The Lamtto RC18 7-inch screen is very smooth and I am enjoying its horizontal and vertical orientation feature. Also, its magnetic mount holder is very useful as you can mount your phone on it as well. Also, its mirror screen feature is very useful and I didn't found any lag on it. What you think? Let me know in the comment section. The Lamtto RC18 buying price is $89.99 and I'm sharing a 10% discount code here. If you are interested in smartphone gimbal videos, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.